Hi, and welcome to an introduction course in yoga. This course focuses on the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, which is a kind of classical source of what yoga is. Today in our modern world, there are hundred thousands of books written on yoga. Some of them are very good, some of them are a little fanciful. But if we want to understand what yoga truly is, Patanjali is the source, and that's where we should put our attention. Now, to understand a text that is more than 2,500 years old is by no means easy. First, it's translated into many different languages. We don't know if people knew Sanskrit properly. And also, our interpretation is what stands in the way of what the essence of yoga is. This course is limited to my interpretation of what these sutras mean, and I hope they will be helpful for you. But I'll try to be as honest as I can to the kind of Sanskrit translation. So the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali consist of 4 chapters: Samadhi Pada, Sadhana Pada, Vibhuti Pada, and Kaivalya Pada. The first chapter is on an overview of what yoga is, how to attain it, and what's the goal and purpose of it. The second chapter is means of practice, how to get a deeper perspective of a stability that is there in the mind and kind of dissolve the undercurrents of distractions that are there. Vibhuti Pada is a deepening of concentration and how to attain that state of samadhi and various perfections that may occur if we succeed with that. The 4th chapter is about Kaivalya, reaching that state of isolation when the kind of inmost essence of the self is separated from its conjunction, samyoga, with the fluctuations of all the fluctuations of the mind. I try to be as clear as I can to the kind of Sanskrit original. I hope this course may help you to just kind of give a perspective of what the essence of Patanjali is saying. Let there be no doubt that understanding yoga is challenging, but whatever effort we spend, it is worth it, because you'll feel that there's a greater clarity of mind being stabilized, and there's a tremendous sense of joy kind of being awakened from within. And if you find those 2 aspects, joy and stability of mind, you know you're on the right track with yoga. Enjoy the course.